Registering for classes changed again? Yeah, I didn't know either. Let me give you a quick rundown of the changes along with how to navigate the new schedule builder. Adding your courses, building potential schedules, and registration are all crucial steps to make sure you're ready for schedule day. Follow me closely and I'll walk you through it. First, go to the WVU portal and click the blue tab that says Schedule Builder. Now, select your term and hit Save and Continue. Next, click the Morgantown campus and also select the online campus options if you're interested. Now, here is where we actually start. We will begin under the Build Schedule tab. To add a class, click on Add Course and then type in the subject and course number. Once you add the class, it will appear under your courses. To look into the different sections and professors, click on Options. Do some research on your professors and make sure to choose the best ones. Next to the courses, there's also an area called breaks. A break is a time slot that you can choose to have no classes. It'll limit the flexibility of your schedule, but it's a good way to make sure you don't have a class during a club meeting. Now, let's put it all together. After you added all your classes, scroll down and generate some schedules. If you have over 50 generated schedules, you might need to start locking some classes. Find a class that you like at a certain time and place, and then click the lock button to make it unchangeable. This should lower your generated schedules. Once you get down to a reasonable amount, like 30, view the first generated schedule. Scroll down to the schedule visual and then use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to look at all your options. Another way to compare schedules is by using the compare feature in the schedule section. Check the boxes of the generated schedules you want to compare, and voila! To save the schedule you like, make sure to lock all your classes and then select Send to Shopping Cart. Now for the important part. On your designated schedule day, you will need to register. When you enter the website, you'll need to select all the classes in your shopping cart and then click Register. Sometimes you'll get an error message with registration, often saying that you need departmental approval. Address your advisor with any errors you have and make sure you register ASAP. Once you confirm your registration, you're done. Give yourself a pat on the back and share your schedule with your friends. During this whole process, be creative and have fun with your schedule. Just make sure you choose the best professors and a schedule that gives you free time. Nice work, Mountaineers. Keep up the grind and have an awesome next semester.